Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd bring you up a little bit more progress as we're coming towards the end of the build. I thought I'd just keep you updated on what's going on. Really windy here today in Nong Kung Si. I put the drone up just now and yeah, I got a bit of footage, but I brought it back down. I was getting warnings on my drone saying about the wind. So yeah, let's have a quick look around. I'll start by taking you inside and we'll have a little nose. So kitchen was still waiting on. I've literally just mopped the floors over, so yeah, actually I can come back down now. So we got a couple of chairs to go under the breakfast bar, a couple of gas powered ones. Like I said, just all cheap and cheerful. No point in spending too much money until I know exactly what I'm going to want in here. So let's take you on through. So I got a couple of, I started putting a few bits and pieces on the walls, making it feel like a bit more like a home. So I got a couple of pictures up. These are my father's pictures. So for me, got very great sentimental value. So yeah, so I thought, well, you know, he's here with me in Thailand anyway. He's up the road in the local temple, along with my mother. So I thought I'd bring her pictures out. We have got, I'll take you around the other bit, you can probably see a bit better. So yeah, I've just put a few pictures up on the wall, just to make it feel, you know, a little bit more homely. This is the wardrobe set that Tam decided that she quite liked. Not my choice, a bit gaudy, but she likes it. That's the main thing. So yeah, we've got our wardrobes and stuff. Like I said, nothing flash, nothing too crazy. Just a little bit there, she can do her makeup. She was going to put something over this side, but she decided that she wanted it all on the one side there. So we've seen all the bathrooms before, and we've put some bedding on the bed over here. Oh, that's a bag of bubble wrap from stuff I brought from over from the UK. You know what it's like when you're getting ready to move in. So yeah, we got obviously all the bedding's done. I've just put one of my TVs and units and stuff in, which I brought from the UK, just in the bedroom. It won't be used that much. We tend to mainly use the one in the front room. But a quick look outside. The swimming pool is completely full. Now, one thing I will say about it, if you look at the colour of the water, I don't know if you can see it that way. I'll take you outside, hang on. So let's go out there. Be a bit noisy because of the truck. But if you can see the colour of the water, that is the government water. So I'm glad we put filters on it in the end. This was come straight before it got to the filter, but I've been assured that a couple of days, once it's all up and running, it's not actually up and running yet, that'll be happening on Friday, when the pool guy comes out and sets and gets it all working. Probably needs a tad more water in by the looks of it to the infinity edge, but it's pretty much there now. The guys are out there and girls, and they're busy putting the concrete down. Now I've gone for not too many straight edges. I've gone for like a more of a, you know, definitely not straight edge, more of a curved edge. I don't know if you can see it, like a curved edge over here, just to give it a little bit of shape. Obviously all borders and stuff out the back. Gonna have a border in front here, and then over there it's all going to sort of basically turn and go down and off down the driveway there. So yeah, so it's just a quick update today guys. I won't keep you, and we'll go back in because of the noise. So yeah, looking at the colour of the government water, this is one of the reasons why you don't really, well, you say you don't really, you definitely don't drink the water in Thailand. There's nothing clear about that whatsoever, and that is how it comes from the government. Like I said, I'm glad we have got a few sets of filters. We got all different types of filters around there, which will filter this, and obviously the well water as well. I didn't use the well water to fill the swimming pool. Main reason for that was I sort of got told just to use the government water by the chap who's doing the pool, so hence that's why I put it in. And that government water, he's sort of saying once he gets the salt, because it's a saltwater pool system, once he gets the salt in there, then he said a couple of days and it'll all clear up, be crystal clear. So what I'll probably do then, guys, is I'll bring you back up then, and we can have another little look round the villa. We've got curtains coming in shortly today, so they'll be all up. So I'll show you them on the next video. The kitchen is being fitted on Friday, and that'll be the full installation. It would have been done tomorrow, but as usual, we seem to get a lot of temple days here. And if you know anything with a lot of the Thais out here, and obviously the Buddhist calendar, they when there is a temple, they tend not to work. You know, on a new build, and the main reason for that is it's for luck. Apparently it's very bad luck to be working while it's a temple day, well, especially in this village anyway, and we've had quite a few temple days. It's that and funerals. So yeah, so that's it for this one, guys. I just thought I'd bring you along, show you a quick update what we've been up to over the last couple of days. Thank you all very much for all of you tuned in to the last vlog and subscribed. Don't forget there is a playlist if you haven't watched from the beginning yet and you want to watch the full build. Like I said, we've got the drive going in at the moment. Nothing flash. It's literally there to serve a purpose, which is to get the cars in and out. I didn't want to go for like a tile drive or you know, like a stamped concrete or anything. It's, you know, it is what it is. I mean, we'll I mean, this time next year we'll be drying rice on it, so you know, that's it. But yeah, right, I'm gonna leave it there, otherwise I'll carry on waffling on as I normally do, and I will get back to you on the next one. So stay tuned. I will keep you up to date with everything that's going on the build. Thank you all very, very much for liking, subscribing. Please share with your friends and everything as well. Help get this channel out there if you can. It'd be much appreciated. So until the next one, guys, take it easy, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.